I'm joking. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy The Official, and we are back with another video, the third video of Project Factory Spec. So maybe we'll say episode 2, because now this is a continuation from the last video that you guys have seen. So in today's video we are going to get a startup or maybe a crank, because I just pray I fitted everything correctly, and all those videos I watched trying to assemble everything to do with the engine was assembled correctly. So yeah, without any further ado guys, just get into the video. If you guys haven't already, like, comment, share and subscribe. Comment what you guys would like to see going forward on the 330 build. Comment what you guys think about the videos so far. Yeah, and yes guys, this is the last bolt that has to go in, so we are finished with assembling everything. And yeah, I am so excited guys, like so excited. The battery is dead obviously, because it's been sitting for like 2 months, almost 2 months. It's going to be 2 months from next month, but it won't be 2 months because we are fixing it, so it's going to be like a month and a half. And yeah, so either later on I'm going to get a jump box or battery charger. All right, hey, this thing is so hard, but yo, recording and trying to fix is a mission and a half, yo. But yeah, later on I'm gonna try get a battery charger, so we only might see if everything is all fine tomorrow. So just hanging there with me guys, and this thing, yeah, okay, yeah, so just hang on me guys, and we are going to get a start later today or tomorrow. And yeah, I can't believe it. It's been a mission and a half to get it back to this state. It's going to have to get cleaned once again because it's really filthy. And yeah, so yeah guys, if this is where we leave off, get back to you guys tomorrow. If this is not, see you later on. And yeah, what up YouTube, it's your boy What up criminal YouTube, it's your boy The Official, and we back with another video. Well, this is the next day from the clip you just saw just now, and it's currently raining, as you guys can see. The car is wet. And yeah, today we just want to see if we can get a crank out of the car, because as you saw in the last video, we got the starter and we fitted it. And yeah, so today we just want to see if we can get a crank out of the car today. Even if it's not a start, it can just be a crank, just to see if everything is fitted correctly. If it's not, then I'm going to have to do the whole process again, which I hope I don't. So yeah, so if you guys are enjoying the video so far, comment down below on what you guys think obviously. And yeah, if you guys haven't already, like, comment, share and subscribe. So now we're going to go inside. Yes, it's currently raining guys, as I told you before, so I don't want to be outside too much because I will end up getting sick. But yeah, light is on. That hasn't been on in quite some time, but like, I'm so damn excited. Oh my god. Amen. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I haven't seen this in so damn long, bro. Like, I don't think you understand. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Let's see if the seats will move. Oh yes, everything works. Everything works. Oh my days. I'm so damn excited. There's still codes on the thing. right? But just know they'll be removed when we go for a diagnostics, because I'm going to ask them to remove, because now it's not like the seat belts don't work, you get me? It's not like the seat belts don't work, it's just that now I think one of the things is faulty, so it hit, maybe when I was adjusting the seat it moved incorrectly and it clamped on something. But yeah, I'm stalling, I'm just talking too much, I'm stalling. What? Okay, I'ma turn. Oh my god, I don't even know what to do. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm gonna turn the camera to me just now, right? So we gotta see if everything works. So yeah, I feel like I'm too excited for this shit. I'm sorry guys, I'm sorry. Like I'm sorry. I'm just too excited. But yeah. Okay, wait. I'ma hit the ignition first to see if I'm stalling. That's the thing priming. Okay, there's still petrol in the car. That's something. Okay, cool. Okay. In 3, 2, 1.
One eternity later.
Woo! I'm so excited, guys. Like, you don't understand, bro. Understand, guys. Like, yo, after 2 months. What do you say? Huh?
You know I left the beach and I heard the car buzzing.
2 months, guys. Yo, what? Oh no, I'm so damn excited, guys. What? It's running. Oh my days, bro. Yo niggas don't even understand, bro. Like, yo niggas don't even understand, baby. Oh my days, bro. I'm even shaking, bro. Like, oh my days. But yeah, that's something we gotta start. And yeah, let's just see if everything is bolted up correctly, because I did see smoke coming outside of the front. So let me check that quickly and I'll get back to you guys in a second and give you guys an update. So yeah,
A few minutes later.
so yeah guys, I'm going to give you guys a startup on the baby, the 330i. This is Project Factory Spec episode 2 right now, and yeah, we've got a startup, not a crank, but a startup. That's so crazy. And right now what we are going to do is assess why is there smoke coming out from the front. Maybe I was thinking maybe it's because now the car's been sitting for too long, or oil's leaked and now it's just burning off all the excess. So yeah, so I'm gonna give you guys a startup right now, show you that it actually does start. Then from here I'm going to either call the mechanic once again for him to come check my work, and then yeah, I don't even know what to say, but like yeah.
A few minutes later.
As you guys can see, it looks like it's running a bit weird. Maybe there is like a bit of condensation, you get me, but like everything else is fine. And as you can hear, right, there's a little squeak, so I think it's the belt. The belt is a get sleepy because it's been sitting, yes, but now it seems like it's running all right. I don't want to do too much so early because now next thing there's a problem, but I'll give you guys a little rev or two. I don't think that's a good idea, but like, yeah, it does look like everything is running smoothly. But from here, guys, I'll give a mechanic the call and sure.
24 hours later.
Yeah, guys, it's the next day, but at night this time because I want to go move the car. As you guys saw in the last clip, it runs. So this is not an official drive because I just want to move the car. In the next video that you guys will see, I want to go somewhere to get the car assessed properly, and yeah, so that will be the first drive for the car. But right now I want to move the car, so yeah.